Have you ever stopped to wonder where your water comes from, or how many people in the world struggle to find clean, drinkable water? It's a thought that might not cross our minds often, but the reality is, fresh water is not as abundant as we think. Around the globe, hundreds of millions of people don't have access to clean drinking water. In some regions, the water supply is so scarce, communities walk miles to collect a single bucket. And even in developed regions, freshwater resources are under increasing pressure due to overuse and climate change. The universal challenge we face is how to ensure that everyone, everywhere, has access to this vital resource. But as we stand on the cusp of the fourth industrial revolution, technology is stepping up to the plate. Innovations are springing up, addressing this crisis head-on. But what if technology could help us tackle this crisis? What if artificial intelligence could make seawater drinkable? Imagine a world where the vast oceans could quench the world's thirst. That's what AI-powered desalination promises. But first, let's break down the basics. Desalination at its core is a process that removes salt and other impurities from seawater, transforming it into water that's safe for us to drink. It's a scientific marvel, but it's also a process that traditionally requires massive amounts of energy, making it costly and not always environmentally friendly. Enter artificial intelligence. By leveraging AI and machine learning algorithms, we're now able to optimize the desalination process, creating a solution that's not only effective, but also energy efficient and cost effective. But how exactly does this work? Think of AI as the brains behind the operation. It can predict, with remarkable accuracy, the optimal conditions for desalination. By monitoring variables like temperature, pressure, and salinity, AI can adjust the process in real time, ensuring that it operates at peak efficiency.